In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can block up notifications. Begin by selecting Settings and hitting Notifications and Status Bar. Then you need to scroll down to tap Manage All next to App Notifications, and using blue switchers next to your apps, block all of them from the chosen ones. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. You can also go back, hit any app here, and to manage all notifications, use this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!